Hello everyone, Jaime Mantilla here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build a sales CRM for free, okay? So as you can see here, this is Software. This is the platform that I'm gonna walk you through. This is something I just learned about recently that I'm messing around with. But Software is a low-code, no-code automation software where you can actually build custom business softwares without any code. They have a free plan, so you can actually use that plan, publish one app. You can actually create multiple apps, but you can only just publish one. They actually offer a variety of templates that you can use. You can actually either start it from scratch. You can actually use it from a template, which is what I showed you before. And you can actually do it create one with AI. Okay, I published a previous video where you can actually see how I created another CRM for a commercial cleaning company, which took less than 2 minutes. So again, I'm just kind of showing you the different options here on what you can build. So all we have to do is actually click one of these three buttons here, or click on create new. I'm gonna select this one to start from a template. You can actually select the multiple templates that they offer. So I'm just going to click here in the Sales CRM. You preview it. You can actually check the images that they have for the CRM. You have the information here. So you just click use this template. Here you would have an option to link a data source. Could be Notion, could be Airtable, could be another database, Supabase. In this case, I just did Google Spreadsheets, which I'm not going to use right now. I can use later. If you have that data stored there, you can actually visualize it within the tool, but I'm just going to show you step by step what it takes just to create it and then preview it, which is pretty straightforward. Within the next 5 minutes, you will have that up and running. So I'm just going to click continue. And then you just have to wait a little bit while it creates the CRM. And you will see that it's going to just take that whole template and show it to you here, okay? Once you're here, and here you may need to learn a little bit how to use Software. So you can do Software Academy, all right? So you can actually Google it, you can actually search it, and you will see here on the dashboard, and I will show you what the CRM will look like, but you can actually learn here all the concepts. It's only like, 8 modules. There's a bunch of videos that they have from people doing the same thing. I just wanted to make you aware because most people don't know about this. And I just think that this is amazing how with a tool you can actually build something amazing within a few minutes. So going back to the CRM here, you have pages, you have other things that you can modify. I'm not going to go through that right now because you have the academy, and what a better academy that's the same company teaching you how to use it. So all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click preview. And on the preview, it's going to show me like I am the user, right? Either I'm an admin or I'm account manager or whatever it is. So you can see here, it gives you the option. You have the possibility to view if it's responsive or not. So this is a desktop view. This is a tablet view. And then you would have the mobile view. So you can see that it's pretty responsive. Okay, we're in preview mode. So, it's just blinking. But here, you also would be able to preview as a specific person. So you have Christopher Lee, which is the account manager. You have multiple account managers here, and it actually gives you an admin view. But in this case, I'm just going to walk you through the images. Through the pages, and just see what it does. So you have the accounts here. You have the deals. You can actually view the deals. It open up a panel on the right hand side, and it'll give you the details about that deal, the creation date, email. You can actually upload attachments. So if I click on that, it'll download that contract. You can actually go to contacts, and it'll give you a list of the contacts, either your favorites. In this case, there are 2, or you can have all the contacts. You can actually add a contact, gives you all the information, the company that it works for, and all the stuff. And then on the companies, you would have all the information about the companies, their website, their name, their industry, the contacts. You can actually also click on that add company button, and you will see the information that you can fill in and add a company. And you have a deals page where you can actually let me see if you can actually view the deals. It'll open up a panel to the right. It'll give you the information about the proposal, whether it was signed or not signed, and then the value of that specific contract. And you actually have the ability to add a new deal here and here, where you can actually add attachments, either the contract or whatever it is. Once, let me see if I have once you have signed it. But let's see, if I go back to companies, let me just show you what the demo file that they had. Just 1 second here. It's actually contacts. One second. That would be deals. Let's go back again. Let's do view. This one doesn't have a actually this one, sorry. So you have, I'm gonna click on that one. It'll open up. And it's just an image, just a dummy image. I saw one with the contract. Let's see this one here. And you can have a contract signed, attached to the actual CRM or the contact itself. That way you can actually see and keep track of everything that you need. Okay. So this is all I wanted to show you. I'll show you the possibilities, the options that are out there. How easy right now is to create an application. Of course, it's going to take a learning curve for you to be able to navigate through the new layout and the functionality of that specific application. In this case, it's software.io, but it gives you the possibility and the options for you to create something on your own and then hand it over to somebody else that may know more. But again, this is for you to don't limit yourself on the possibilities. And now with AI and other low-code, no-code automation platforms, you can actually become that creator that you always wanted to become. So I just want to encourage you to try different things, try other options out there. That way you can start generating more ideas for your own. All right. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Thank you.